Fire's coming.
A mí me enseñó un teléfono que se reventaría cuando lo tiraron. Algo pasó. Porque el humo, esto se puso blanco de puro humo. Menos mal que yo salí. Y salió la vez el vecino de al lado. Porque si no, estoy prende todo este reguero. Pero fue un teléfono que me quitó. Pero el trabajo.
Oh, this fucking roots. This is what happens when, yeah. The fire department's already here to reset it.
Dale, déjala abierta. Déjala abierta para que salga el humo.
No, está apagada la energía.
Ah, está bichado. No, leche.
The infra fire's already here. So I said. Really? You're fucking kidding me. Welcome to the ghetto. Dude, it's so bad I can't even. I'm sticking to the floor. Holy shit, man. What a fucking god-awful mess. What do you expect when you live in the ghetto? Hi, guys.
What's going on?
Well, I live downstairs, so the one time I didn't ignore it, thank God. Looks like what happened is there was a trash fire finally, and somebody brought a bunch of water and tried putting it out, and there you go. I was too scared to even go in there. You can see why, I'm sure. I don't think it's in there, but you guys are here now, and that's all that's important.
Yeah, we got directions out by some residents. Looks like some trash was on fire in the hallway.
They put it out.
The trash chute looks like it's out. We're gonna be checking for extension.
Appreciate it, Lieutenant or Captain.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you. So basically what happened on the second floor is what I'm surprised has not happened in front of my door yet. But I'm really surprised. This is a couple parter, I apologize. In between calling 911, the video cut out because I called 911. But this is a cannabis medic and this is my life at the Avantis Ghetto.